Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make desktop wallpapers on Canva apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Canva apps at the menu in here, you can swipe right like this and then click on three dots icon in here. Click on more. And after this you can swipe down until you can see desktop wallpapers. This is the desktop wallpaper, so you just click on the see all, click on it, and after this you can swipe down, and in here you can see a desktop wallpaper template from Canva. You can choose everything you like. Maybe you can choose this one. I want to try to add this is the moonlight wallpaper, so you just click on it, and after this in here you can adjust the text. Maybe you can change the text to your name, so you just click on the text, and after this in here you can change the text to your name, maybe Debbie, like this. And now after this, if you wanna save the desktop wallpaper, so you just click on this icon, and after this you can click on download, and now you can click on download and finish. So that's how to make a desktop wallpapers on Canva apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.